Good day, everyone. So today we're going to replace the light bulb on my snowblower. And you might think, well, I don't really need a light bulb. Well, where I live with the time zone changes and stuff, basically it's 3:30 in the afternoon right now and the sun is already pretty low. And guess what? In about half an hour, well, maybe an hour at the most, going to be dark. So what happens? Come home from work, say, well, it's dark. And you wake up in the morning, it's dark, and you might need to use your snowblower. So the light comes in really handy. Especially out here, there's no lighting, there's no street lights or anything, so it's dark. So anyways, I want to tell you that most of the bulbs are the same in these snowblowers. And if you're unsure, I'll show you how to put this in a second. If you're unsure which light bulb, it's more than likely an 890 12 volt 27 watt bulb, and it's written right on here. So this is all one piece. This light bulb does not pop out of here. It's sold like this. And just a little more info, or maybe clear to see. So an 890, and again a 12 volt 27 watt. It says PG-13. I think that stands for with parental guidance, a 13-year-old can replace this bulb. So anyways, to get at this bulb, now I'm going to try to do this. I only have one hand, so I have to hold the camera and try to keep her in frame. And so just reach up underneath, counterclockwise. It's like about a quarter turn, and it will pop out, just like this. And there's your bulb. And to remove the bulb from the harness, there's two clips here. I can't do this with one hand, but it's really easy. You just sort of pull the clips back a little bit and it will pull out. And then of course to put it back in, same thing. Reach under here, slide that up into place, and get it put in, lined up, and then turn it clockwise. And she's good to go now. And also, some people were saying, well, you could use an LED bulb, but I'm getting mixed reviews on those because I haven't used one, but a lot of people say, the LED bulbs are great, but just not great in a snowblower. Because the power varies so much, especially on startup, that I think the electronics in those LED bulbs don't like it and they burn out really quick. So I hope this was helpful, and if you don't like AI videos, which I don't, please give me a thumbs up or a like. Yeah, you gotta sort of support us somehow, and that's all I ask. So I hope this was super helpful. It's super easy to do, and it'll just make your snow blowing much easier in the dark, plus safer, because I get to the end of the driveway, there could be cars and they can see you at least. So if you're not paying attention, you won't get run over maybe. But yeah, have a great day.